Hi everyone, I'm Tianyuan. Today I'm sharing a salmon fried rice recipe. It's easy to make and absolutely delicious. Step 1. Preparing the rice. The key to good fried rice. I'm using basmati rice, which is great for fried rice because it stays separate and doesn't stick together. 1. Rinse the rice thoroughly. 2. Use 1 cup of rice to 1.5 to 2 cups of water. 3. Bring it to a boil on the stove, then lower the heat to a simmer. 4. Let it simmer for 15 minutes, then turn off the heat and let it sit for another 20 minutes without opening the lid. 5. Set it aside for later. Step 2. Preparing the salmon. I'm using frozen salmon. Although it loses some moisture and freshness, it works perfectly for fried rice. 1. For a non-stick pan, simply heat the pan and add the salmon. 2. For an iron pan, heat the pan until very hot, add oil, then place the salmon in to prevent sticking. 3. Pan fry until the surface is slightly crispy, then break it apart with a spatula into small pieces. 4. Remove from the pan and set aside. Step 3. Preparing the vegetables and stir frying. For the veggies, I'm using onion, carrot, and celery, all diced into small pieces. In the same pan, stir fry the diced vegetables until fragrant. Add a pinch of salt and black pepper to season. Take the cooked rice and mix it into the pan evenly. Finally, add the pan-fried salmon back in and stir everything together. Step 4. Extra seasoning options, optional. The basic version is already super flavorful, but if you want extra depth, here are 2 variations. 1. Soy sauce version. Add a little soy sauce for richer flavor and color. 2. Fish sauce and cooking sake version. A splash of fish sauce and cooking sake, Japanese rice wine, enhances umami and aroma. That's it. Your fragrant salmon fried rice is ready to enjoy. Hope you like it. See you next time.